Hey guys, iTech Central here with a sound quality test for the Logitech USB microphone. As you may be able to tell, there's virtually no background noise thanks to the integrated noise cancelling system in the mic. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take us to the Logitech website. As you can see, the product does cost $29.99, which is perfect for what you get. The quality and build design is very futuristic, but it is a very sturdy and strong device. I can tell this thing's not going to break. It's extremely durable. So specifications, well, it is PC and Mac compatible, Windows 98 to Windows 7, and Mac OS 9.0.4 or later. All this is through a USB port, and it is very convenient because of the 8-foot cord. It is makes it easy to use with desktops and laptops both. Alright, so with this product, you have great quality, great build design, and at a very low price. Definitely a good buy. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this quality test and review. Subscribe for more. Thanks.